Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use MyQuizGPT.com to create flashcard and quizzes on ChatGPT. So this helps you as a quiz generator, as a flashcard generator, to create your quiz from your study materials, from your notes, and from maybe just asking the GPT to generate flashcard and quizzes for you. So first of all, how to go about it? The first thing you have to do is to go to the website. It's either you sign in on the website, or you can go directly to the ChatGPT. So right here, let's open. You can see the my quiz GPT. So you can always go to explore, search for this particular GPT, or you go to the website and visit the link directly. And inside of this place, you can tell it to do anything. Maybe create a quiz for you, create a flashcard for you, summarize a topic for you, or help you learn a subject step by step. So it also means that you can upload PDFs, you can upload your study materials right directly inside of this GPT. So let's say, for example, I can say create a quiz on biology 101, maybe hard quiz questions. So it will ask us how many you want to generate. You can as well tell it to generate those questions directly without having to pass through all this process. So I can say, okay, say let's say 20 questions. Go ahead and give me the link. Give me practice link. So you wait for it to talk to the connector. The connector is going to connect to the MyQuizGPT website, and the process of talking to the MyQuizGPT website helps it to generate the quiz for you to be able to practice it. This might take a little while. Okay, so it will give you an option to, so you can confirm. So it has already created the quiz for you, so you confirm the quiz for you to be able to get the link to practice. So let's confirm. So it has generated biology 101 hard questions for us. So we can click on the link here to start practicing our quiz. So let's open the link. So right here we can see our biology 101 hard quiz that we generated from ChatGPT. The link has opened. So right here we have an attached revision source. Attached revision source is basically like where you want to you want to be able to reference back this ChatGPT discussion to this quiz. So you want to tie the ChatGPT discussion to this quiz. So you can start practicing the quiz, answer the questions like what type of bond stabilizes and all that. And let's go. So we can choose any question here. So for somebody who is having an exam, or who has a biology exam, so this is a good way for you to test. So I'm not quoting anyone correctly. I'm not a biology student. Sorry. Yeah, I should get one. Okay, let me answer B. Okay, I've gotten one. Okay. So right here before you start the quiz, it's always advisable for you to attach your revision source. Your revision source is basically your ChatGPT conversation. So the ChatGPT conversation that brought us here. So we can go here, and we can go here, click on share, and copy and share the list, and share the GPT conversation with our quiz. So all this thing helps us. It helps us to group our quiz together. Helps us to take the points. Let's say this is biology 101. So we can save it, and it also helps us to reference it back. So we can start the quiz by answering some questions. And okay, I've gotten one. So oh, so let's just keep answering B. So at the end of this quiz, you can click on the revision link. So when we click on the revision link, we can see the ones that we failed, that we didn't get correctly. So you can see the listing, the prompt, revise this quiz for me, title. So it will show all the questions that we got wrong, and then once you click on copy, the reason why we say you should upload your revision source is that it helps us to track the the quiz where it was the ChatGPT discussion where it was generated from. So when we click on open chat, and it opens, so it will open on our chat. So you can see the listing. So you can see, so we can enter our revision, and with our revision we can generate a revision from our quiz on ChatGPT. Everything can be done inside of ChatGPT. So it gives us a revision of what we are supposed to do. So let's go back to MyQuizGPT.com. So we can decide to let's go to our profile. Let's go back to our profile. In our profile, you can see our profile here. So this is the biology 101 quiz that we practiced. This is the advanced biology that we practiced before. These are some advanced biology quiz. So let's say I want to group, I want all my quizzes, all of them to be in one place, so I can copy with this. Okay. So you can, one of the things, you can also view your scoreboard, see how many you scored in the distance. So I scored 20% in the last quiz that I took, and then I can go back. You can invite your friends at the end of your quiz to practice the quiz together with you. You can as well go to your chat folders. Your chat folders are basically the quizzes, how your quizzes are being grouped. So these are biology 101 quiz. So biology 101. So so all our, because of the revision source that we added, all our quizzes can be grouped together. Our quiz and flashcard can be grouped together. So here is another interesting aspect of this now. So we can keep track of all our studies and then put them in one folder. Not just put them in one folder, we can decide to share this folder with anybody. So let's say, for example, I want to share my folder with somebody. I want to share this folder with somebody. If I want to share this folder with somebody, I can click on the share button. You can see the biology 101. So it says we have 2 quizzes and 1 flashcard here. So once I toggle on this, I can copy the shared this thing. So for teachers who want to share their study lessons with people. So after I must have created the study lessons, group them in one place. You can as well share it with your students, and when your student opens the quiz, it's going to look something like this. It's going to look like this, and then your students can actually be able to add this quiz into their collection. So they can import all the quizzes that you have created into their collection, and they can also view the ChatGPT discussions and the lessons that you created in ChatGPT. So back to our profile, our chat folders. In our chat folder, there's also another interesting feature. So let's say, for example, I took a lot of quizzes and I practiced a lot of quizzes in the process of my learning, and I can decide to merge all the quizzes together. So you can merge 2 quizzes, 1 or 2 quizzes together in one folder. So we can select this quiz, and then we can click on merge quiz. So what the merge quiz does is that it combines the 2 quizzes together, and then you can test yourself on the 2 quizzes that have been combined together. So all the things that you have, so after you must have finished studying, you can decide to test yourself on what you have studied. So you click on the merge quiz, So you can see that the two quizzes have been made. The advanced biology 101 quiz and biology 101 hard quiz have been made together. So we can practice them together. And let me go fast with this. So, and at the end of it all, we can still get our proper revision. We can still get a revision at the end of it. So the revision is going to be like this. So you click on it, just like we did our previous revision. Click on the open chart, and then it opens your chart, your ChatGPT chart, and then you paste the revisions that you asked it to do for you. So it will be able to do those revisions for you. So when we go back to our profile, you can also decide the ones you like. So I can decide to like this. I can decide to edit my profile, choose the color of this. So if you want to select the color of your quizzes, the color of your profile, what you want you. So if I change it to this, it means most of my flashcards will change to purple. So my flashcards will become purple. You can see. Let's go back. So you can decide to like, favorite some of them. So this is very very important. It can help you to create as many quizzes as possible, and also to keep track of your ChatGPT lessons, and give you a proper studying. Unlike most, I've tried a couple of quiz maker and flashcard maker. They fail at this AI this thing because of how difficult it is to keep up with contest. So, but because this chat gpt this my quiz gpt lives inside the chat gpt, it gives the user the ability to be able to do things inside, like manage your contest, manage your study material. You can swear tell the my quiz gpt, based on everything we have studied in the last 2 days, create a quiz for me. So, and it creates a quiz for you, and it's very very important for students, for teachers, and it's completely free. The only thing you have to pay for is to be able to store your quizzes. So if you want to store your quizzes in your collections, and you can store as up to 10, and if you want to keep storing them, you can keep on pricing. But if you want to store them and then keep track of it, like we have did here, so you need to pay it. It's just a one-time fee of $18, which is actually okay. So thank you very much. Let me know what you think about it.